Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you open up the Marvel Rivals game from the launcher, you can click on the gear option and choose the language from there as well. However, if you have already opened up the game, then you can change the language also from within. From the main menu after logging in, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, click on Settings, and this will now take you into the settings page. Now, within the display section, if you scroll down, you will see the game language drop-down menu. Just click on the currently selected language and you will see the various different options that are available. Click on whichever language you prefer to use and it will change the game language to the one that you just selected right away. After this, you can simply go back and start enjoying your game. And if you wish to change your language in the future once again, you can follow the same steps to change your language at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within your Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.